what are the challenges that the ICI is facing right now with the way it is set up? And frankly speaking, there are only 3 commissioners. You were a special advisor. What are the challenges?
Alam mo, isa yun yung lack of support staff. Kasi nakita ko yun na bakit limited lang sa 30 ang personnel niya. Isa yun, yung lack of support staff. Second is, kailangan talaga marami pang investigators Yung structure talaga, kailangan, yung nga yung proposal ko noon kay Chairman Reyes na kailangan meron kaming supervising investigator sa Luzon, isa sa Visayas, dalawa sa Luzon pa lang, isa sa Mindanao, isa sa Visayas. Yung mga ganon, Tapos yung contempt power, kailangan talaga meron din Hindi lang sapat yung yung subpoena. And another is dapat yung talagang yung namin, yung capability to really store yung huge amount of data na dumarating. Isa rin yun Kailangan namin ng IT support. So ang dami pa Ang dami pa naming, kasi na-overwhelm kami sa dami ng kasong dumarating at kailangan mo talagang, you have to go out as an investigator, you have to really go out in the field. And then, with that amount of knowledge that you were able to gather, kailangan i-brief mo yung ICI. Pero alam mo, talagang overwhelmed din ang members ay mga commissioners kasi araw-araw they have to, they have to interview. Tapos ang laki rin ng pressure, ang taas ng expectation. Kaya ang mahirap din ang trabaho talaga ng ICI, lalo-lalo na yung mga commissioners.